I'm pleased to inform you that the board has today announced our intention to demerge M&G Prudential, our UK and Europe business, from the group. This is an important step which we believe will deliver long-term benefits for both businesses and all our stakeholders, our shareholders, our customers, our colleagues, and the communities we serve. As a standalone business, M&G Prudential has strong capabilities in the growing savings and wealth management marketplace. It will be focused on outperforming its UK and European competitors and will no longer compete with our businesses in Asia and the US. Following the demerger, Prudential plc will focus on the opportunity in two of the world's largest insurance and retirement markets, meeting the needs of the fast-growing Asian middle class and of Americans approaching retirement. We're also enthusiastic about the progress we're making in Africa. The two independent groups will both be headquartered in London, which we regard as the preeminent city from which to operate global financial service businesses. We would expect both to be members of the FTSE 100. The board believes this demerger will deliver a wide range of benefits. Customers will receive greater focus, employees will be more closely aligned with their businesses, and we're confident that this step will create more value for investors than is likely under the current structure. Today's strong full-year results demonstrate the positive momentum across all our businesses. The board has every confidence in our management teams and all our talented and committed people around the world to deliver the long-term benefits that this demerger will unlock.
Prudential has grown to be one of the world's most successful businesses by staying true to our founding purpose. For nearly 170 years, we've existed to remove the worries from life's biggest financial decisions and to help people plan for their future with confidence. Based on that original vision, generations of men and women from Prudential have built thriving operations across the world, and today we serve more than 26 million customers, helping them to de-risk their lives and offering them financial peace of mind. This unique heritage helps define who we are and what we stand for. But this business has always succeeded by evolving, and today we're taking another step in that evolution. The business of insurance works by pooling risk and resources. Our individual operations have benefited from the scale, financial strength, and shared expertise of the wider Prudential Group. As the stewards of that group, the board and the management review whether the structure we've inherited is the most appropriate platform for the success in the years to come. After careful deliberation, we've concluded that the long-term interests of all of our stakeholders will be best secured through the creation of two distinct businesses with separate boards and management teams. There will be a new independent M&G Prudential, which will be a focused champion for the savings and retirement needs of the people in the UK and Europe. And there will be Prudential plc, which will be focused on developing our leadership positions in Asia and the United States and our newer markets in Africa. This change is made possible by the strength of all of our businesses. Let me look first at M&G Prudential. This business has a successful, focused strategy built around the growing demand among customers in the UK and Europe for comprehensive financial solutions. People in this region know they need to invest in financial markets to generate the returns necessary for a comfortable retirement. But they worry about navigating the extreme ups and downs of those markets. Our products offer strong returns and are designed to answer specific customer needs, and they form a growing proportion of the £7 trillion in the UK asset management market, which is forecasted to expand by a further £2.5 trillion over the next 5 years. M&G Prudential also has great opportunities in the even larger asset management market of continental Europe, worth 14 trillion euros. This business has leading, broad-based asset management and product capabilities. What we do in the UK and Europe fulfills an important social need, and it delivers both profitable growth and sustainable cash generation for our investors. The demerger will also create a more focused international business, Prudential plc, with leading positions in Asia and the United States. These two regions have a combined population of nearly 5 billion people and a GDP of more than 40 trillion US dollars. With our newest markets in Africa as well, the opportunities for the group will continue to be exciting. In Asia, the working age population is growing by more than 1 million people every month, and these people are underprotected. The gap between the insurance cover of the people in the region and what they need in order to maintain the living standards of their families has been estimated at around 35 trillion pounds. In the United States, 10,000 people will be retiring every day for the next 20 years. And we know that the baby boomers, the wealthiest generation that's ever lived, have a strong and growing need for retirement income products we provide. We also have established operations in 5 markets in Africa since 2014. And we have a substantial opportunity to serve the rapidly growing customer demand for long-term financial solutions in the African region. Our international businesses will form a leading group focused on the markets that offer the most attractive growth opportunities around the world. They will be better able to develop their existing market leadership positions with the strategic benefit of collective scale, shared capabilities, and complementary products and customers. The board believes that this demerger is the right thing to do and that this is the right time to do it. All of our businesses have clear strategies and best-in-class capabilities. But this move will unlock the potential for enhanced value creation in both businesses. Our businesses share common heritage, values, and purpose, and we believe they will be better able to focus on meeting customers' rapidly evolving needs and to deliver long-term value to investors as 2 separate groups. This will give them the freedom to do new things. This will deliver benefits for all our stakeholders. For investors, we're confident that this step will create more value than would be possible under our current structure. For colleagues, it will lead to new opportunities. As an independent entity, M&G Prudential will compete against its local peer group for investment instead of against the other businesses in the Prudential Group. More investment in our business will create greater and better choices for customers. And for the communities where we operate, it will bring long-term capital that can be used to improve infrastructure, housing, and the wider real economy. We believe the time is right. The past decade has seen a transformation in the scale and capabilities of our business. In Asia and the United States, our combined customer numbers have nearly doubled since 2006. Our assets under management have multiplied more than 8 times, and our operating profits more than 6 times. In the UK and Europe, our retail funds have tripled, and our unique customer proposition, PruFund, has grown from scratch to become the leader in the market. The merger we announced last year of M&G and our Prudential brand operations in the UK, along with the investment of £250 million of shareholder funds, is creating a stronger and more digitally enabled business with a clearer purpose. All of this means we are now confident that both M&G Prudential and the International Group will not only succeed as standalone businesses, but also that their new independence will enable them both to extend their leadership positions in their respective markets. While this will mean change for all of us, there will also be important continuities. Both businesses will continue to be headquartered in London. Both will have primary listings on the London Stock Exchange, and both will continue to serve the same customer needs. This is an important strategic step for the group, which will lead to long-term benefits for all stakeholders. At the same time, it's vital we continue to pursue our other strategic ambitions at pace. The scale of the opportunity for all our operations is huge. We have barely scratched the surface of what we can do to improve the lives of the people in the communities we serve. And this step will enable us all to do much more.